wired bags.
Oh, are you
Yes,
talking
yes.
about
When we were kids, down near Bellins and Sullivan's, and we were Jefferhans. We were kids.
Is it Whitewater?
No.
Not
no.
Six Flags.
Redford Hands is exactly right there. Really, friends?
Sandy Springs.
It's this kind of. It was a Marston's.
And it was a something with water.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah, but just.
I didn't grow up that way.
U.S. Meads.
I went with you.
And when we were kids, we went all the way down to here.
Chattahoochee.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long one to remember.
Because I'm just kind of confident. Yeah, that is where I used to come. But you and me.
So it's a place you and Amy went.
I mean, literally, there's one.
What happened at that place? Give us some more clues.
What did we do there?
So you were kids, and what else?
What did we do there?
Went before the kids. Probably without our little kids. So that's how many years we probably younger went on Plains of Lights. And the food is it's like a
kind of food.
Yes, a Tysa place.
So this is all about food.
This is all about food.
And look, if you went to zoo, was it called that? Cloth and Gibbets?
Bahamas. Atlantis.
Was it Leffenhounds?
So here's Atlantis right there.
Was it called something? Bellied.
Bahamas.
Yeah.
Right. Look right here. Atlantis. What are we trying to get to? Or is this?
It was a town. It was a place in some place, and we ate there.
Okay.
Okay.
And
back
it
when
was
we were
good?
theirs, and
it had a type. It was a certain type of food.
Yes, it was a base of
Like
a
Caribbean?
school. Yes.
Like Caribbean food.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Where are we?
So you want Amy to remember a place you guys went before you had your kids that had good Caribbean food?
Oh yeah.
This is
We
all
love this.
for the
Okay, there's.
Well, how about, I'll tell you what, how about,
Jim. Listen.
Yes.
Jim.
how about we come back to it?
We'll come
Because
back to it.
sometimes when you leave stuff for a few minutes, it'll pop in there.
It's the Kai's
Type of a kind of food.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Because sometimes the more you try and get something, it just doesn't happen, and
we'll
you
just-
wait a few minutes
well,
because
I
that
think
happened
we
to you
will.
the other day with
Okay.
something too.
Yes.
You were trying to think of something.
And I'm
Concentrating a lot right
yeah, and
Yeah.
I don't need the exact language.
Yeah.
I got it. Okay.
So that'll come. It'll come in there.